How do you solve a system by graphing? In the previous video, we looked at what a system of equation is, and now I'm going to show you how to solve one by graphing. Solve the system by graphing, and then you on your own are going to check your answer. So we're going to solve this system of equations by graphing, and then once we get our answer, remember it's going to be a coordinate point. Once we get that answer, you're going to check to make sure that it is correct. So go ahead and make sure you pause this slide and you write down the system of equations and a graph. The first equation, I'm going to box that in red and graph that equation first. Remember, our slope is -2/1 and our y-intercept is -1. So I'm going to plot my first point, which is -1 on the y-axis. And then my slope is down 1, 2, and over 1. Down 1, 2, and over 1. And draw a line through those 3 points. And I have my first line. And now I'm going to graph the second line with blue. So I'll box that one in blue. My slope is 1/1, and my y-intercept is 5. So the first point that I'm going to plot is 5 on the y-axis. And then I'm going to go my slope, which is up 1/1, up 1/1, and connect these 3 dots to create my line. Now, if I would have used rulers, my point of intersection would be more exact. But here is the solution, and it's a little bit off, but we're just going to go ahead and estimate the answer. We'll say that it's -3 for the x, -3 for the x, and +3 for y. And here is our solution to the system of equations. Now, you're going to check this answer by plugging in x for -3 into both equations, the red and blue, and y should be your answer for +3 for both the red and blue equation. And if it is a solution. We'll check the answer in class tomorrow, but make sure you have your work when you come to class. And we'll also try another example of solving a system by graphing. Today I have a guest speaker, Leah, and she's going to give us our code word.
The code word is adventure time.
Say it one more time.
Adventure time.
Say it again.
Adventure time.
Okay, you have your code word. Come to class, tell me the code word, and if you're the first person for your period, you'll get 5 extra credit points.